everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you lovely people out there yet another delicious recipe that is coming from my kitchen to your kitchen. And this recipe was highly requested by my Facebook followers. And guys, you can find me on Facebook at Shamin Di's Kitchen. You can also find me on Instagram at Shamin Di's Kitchen, and you can also follow me on TikTok at Shamin_DI. So what am I going to prepare today for you all? I am going to prepare a delicious baked chicken. So if you want to see how I'm going to prepare that, just keep watching. So guys, here I have the chicken already washed and all the excess water has been drained out. And I will start by seasoning up this chicken. And these are the ingredients that I will be using. My green seasoning. And guys, I do have a green seasoning recipe on my channel. You can check it out. In goes paprika, sazon, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and all the measurements will be listed in the description box at the bottom. Ketchup, of course, and salt to taste. We'll mix in all the seasoning so that each piece of chicken gets coated evenly with the seasoning here. So this is well mixed in here now. I'm just transferring it into another dish, and I will be putting this into the fridge so that it will marinate for like 3 hours. You could do it overnight if you choose to, but I will just leave it for like 3 hours in there while I do other things, and I will come back to that. So I'm going to cover up this here now, put it in the refrigerator, and see you in about 3 hours. Okay guys, so the chicken has been sitting for approximately 4 hours 15 minutes. What I'm going to do here next is put it to steam. Cover this and allow it to cook nicely there. Let's check this now. It is steaming away nicely, so we just give it a turn, bring the pieces from the bottom to the top, cover it again and allow it to steam for like an extra 10 minutes. This is the next step. I am going to dip each piece of chicken into this barbecue sauce here, and I do have a full recipe of this barbecue sauce on my channel. You can just check it out. In goes each piece here, fully coated, and there you have it guys, each piece well coated, and it's about to hit the oven now. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes or so, I'm going to turn each piece of this chicken, because we do not want the chicken to be brown on one side and the other side is white. So I'm going to take my time and turn over each piece of chicken so that it can get an even color on both sides. And what I'm going to do now is pour some of the sauce over it, so we do not have a dry chicken. It will end up being nice and juicy. And I'm going to put it back into the oven now. And there you have it guys, my delicious baked chicken. Remember, if you like this video, give me a nice big thumbs up, leave me a comment at the bottom, share, and don't forget to subscribe.